Hello everybody. Today we're going to start the next project in our VR, VEX VR. With this, what we're going to be doing is you guys are going to be working your way through a maze. This is our letter maze playground right here. And your goal is going to be to go from this point to this point, working your way through the maze. That's the level 1 challenge. This is going to be the first program we're going to work on, and then when we finish that, we're going to be working on the level 2 program. So with the level 1 program, the VR robot to move through the maze from start, green square, to finish, checkered square. You're going to have to make each turn as we go through here and navigate each straightaway. You want to make sure you do this without hitting any walls, going over any walls, or getting hung up on any walls. You have to work your way through from one point to the next. To do this, we're going to go to our X. Which is right here. All right, here's going to be my example of what you have to accomplish. All right, you can see our robot down here in the green area. We're going to hit play. And there we are at the finish. So your goal with this is to get your robot to go just like we showed you. Now, to do this, you noticed my robot was moving a little bit faster than it did when you did the basketball drills. We're going to show you 2 new blocks you can use today to help speed this along. For the rest of the program, you've already learned everything you have to know using the 2 other blocks we've used so far, the drive block, which is right here, and the turn block. So let's start. Get some new blocks up here. We can reset this. And here we have our hat block, or the start block. To make the robot move faster, we're going to scroll down just a little bit, and we have 2 blocks right here. One of the blocks says set drive velocity to 50%. When you were doing your basketball drills, your robot was moving at 50% speed. So we're going to click on that, drag it up, click it onto the hat block. And then we're going to change this number from 50% to 100%. I know people like to see if they can go up above 100%. Once you get to 100%, that's as fast as it's going to go. The next part, we're going to set our turn velocity to 100%. So we're going to drag that up and click there. You can see one is set drive, one is set turn. Make sure you have one of each and change that to 100% as well. After this, you're just going to start to use the 2 blocks we've used already. For instance, drive forward. That'll be the first thing. And then the next one would be turn right. So now, if we have this simple set of blocks and we look at our robot and we hit play, see the robot go up. Oops, made a mistake. It turned right. We need our robot to turn left. So I'm going to go up here and click on left turn. Then I try it again. Click play. Okay, now it's going in the right direction. Now I want to do one more little, just to give you an example. We're going to drag our next drive block over and our next turn. I like to work these 2 at a time. So now we reset it. And what I want to show you is what happens if you hit a wall. The robot will get hung up. Sometimes if it's not hung up as much, it might go over the wall, but it definitely will throw your robot off balance, and it might not let it complete that move. So you want to make sure you're avoiding those things. You don't want to hit the walls. You don't want to bounce off the walls. You want to make sure you steer clear of the walls. So make sure you're putting in numbers that maybe make you move a little bit more towards the center. All right, we got our robot to turn. If we were to look at this though, and it were to go straight, it would hit that wall there. So we would have to adjust this length on the robot, the next straight, which would be right here. You have to keep on programming this in till you get the robot to go all the way through the maze. When you get done with this, make sure you save it. Once again, we're going to go up here and save it. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to change it to my last name. And then maze L1. Then I can go over to File and click on File. And from there, we're going to go to Save to your device. All right. Now, when we have this done, I'll be posting another video for how I'd like you to turn these in using Screencastify. And that Screencastify will show you how to make a little video of your robot moving. All right. Do the best you can programming this robot. Be on the lookout for that Screencastify video. I'll be posting that probably tomorrow or sometime soon. Hope everyone has a great day. Good luck. If you have any questions, you can email me. And I'll also have the office hours on Tuesday and Thursday from 2:30 to 3. If you have any questions, you can go to the Zoom meeting at that time. All right. Hope everyone has a great day. Good luck.